In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M54 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard. Now, if you can't see this microphone at the top of it, click on this gear, scroll to access voice input, and apply Samsung or Google One. Wherever you decided, when you go back, just click on available microphone, hit while using the app, choose continue, and start typing. To stop, operate this microphone button, and to go back to standard keyboard, click at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!